It has just been announced that regarding the carbon dioxide concentration in our atmosphere, the level is now at 426 parts per million. What does that mean? How is that significant or meaningful? The level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere in 1750, that's before the Industrial Revolution started, was 200 parts per million. In the late 1960s, that's only 200 years later, the level had risen to 300 parts per million. So what is the significance of that now? The significance is that the current level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere in 2024 has risen to 426 parts per million. That's at least double the pre-industrial level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And that has allowed the Earth's atmosphere temperature to rise above the 1.5 degrees Celsius limit that was established for being a reasonable level for emissions to go to before we have catastrophic climate change effects appearing. This escalation of the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere has been inflamed by excessive burning of fossil fuels, and the fossil fuel emissions are carbon dioxide. The rise in the level of wildfires around the world all produce carbon dioxide, and an additional effect has been the presence of El Niño in a very strong way. El Niño has the effect of causing a rise in temperatures above the regular temperature pattern, and in so doing, this can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide taken out of the atmosphere by photosynthesis. So if we have more carbon dioxide being produced and put into the atmosphere, and less carbon dioxide being taken out of the atmosphere by the natural process in green plants or photosynthesis, we have a problem. If we were a spacecraft, we would be saying, and we were on a different planet to Earth, we would be saying, NASA, we have a problem.